everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Misha, and today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, which is why university students should learn English. I'm joined by my friend Miftah. How are you today?
Hello, Misha. I'm doing very well. Thank you. I'm really happy to be here because this topic is very important for all university students.
Great. Let's begin with a simple question. In your opinion, why should university students learn English?
In my opinion, English is one of the most important skills that university students should have. It is an international language that is used in education, business, technology, and communication. Learning English can help students improve both their academic performance and future careers.
I agree with you. Many students think English is only useful for passing exams. Do you think that's true?
Not really. English is much more than a school subject. For example, many textbooks, scientific journals, and research articles are written in English. If students understand English, they can access more information and learn from experts around the world.
That's very good point. Besides education, how can English help students prepare for their future career?
Today, many companies prefer employers who can communicate in English. They often work with international clients or partners. Someone who speaks English well usually has more job opportunities and might even receive a higher salary.
That's interesting. Besides finding job, do you think English is useful in everyday life?
Of course. Now we use English almost every day. We watch international movies, listen to English songs, read social media posts, and use applications that are mostly written in English. Understanding English makes our daily activities much easier.
That's true. I also noticed that many learning platform and technology website use English. What do you think about that?
I think that's one of the bigger reasons why students should learn English. Technology is developing very quickly, and most new information is available in English first. If we understand English, we don't have to wait translations.
However, many students are still afraid of speaking English because they worry about making mistakes. What would you say to them?
I will tell them that making mistakes is a normal part of learning. Nobody becomes fluent without practice. The most important thing is to keep trying and never to be afraid to speak.
That's very motivating answer. Can you give some simple tips for improving English?
Sure, students can practice by watching English movies with subtitles, reading English articles, listening to podcasts, learning a few new words every day, and speaking English with friends. Practicing a little every day is better than studying only once a week.
I completely agree. Before we end this discussion, could you give one final message to university students?
My message is simple. Don't learn English just to pass your exams. Learn English because it can open many opportunities in education, careers, technology, and international communication. It is an investment for your future.
Thank you so much for your wonderful opinion, Miftah. I learned many new things from our discussion today.
Thank you for inviting me. I hope our discussions is useful for everyone who is listening.
That's all for today podcast. Thank you for listening and see you in our next discussion. Goodbye.
our podcast. I'm Mifta, and today we are going to discuss an interesting and controversial topic. Should smoking be allowed on campus? I'm here with my guest, Meisha. How are you today?
Hello, Mifta. I'm doing great. Thank you. I'm excited to share my opinion because this topic is related to student health and the campus environment.
Great. Let's start with a simple question. Do you think smoking should be allowed on campus?
Personally, I don't think smoking should be allowed in campus area. A university should provide a healthy, clean, and comfortable environment for students, lecturers, and staff.
That's a good point. Besides health, what other impact can smoking have on the campus environment?
Smoking can make the campus less comfortable. Cigarettes would create litter, unpleasant smells can disturb people, and there is also a risk of fire if cigarettes are thrown away carelessly.
However, some smokers feel that banning smoking completely is unfair. They think the campus should provide a special smoking area. Do you agree?
I think decide smoking could be a good solution. It allows smokers to smoke without disturbing other people. The smoking area should be located far from classroom, library, cafeterias, and other public places.
That's a balanced opinion. In your opinion, what should universities do to reduce smoking among students?
University should educate students about the dangers of smoking through seminar, healthy campaign, and counseling program. They should also encourage healthy lifestyle by organizing sport and wellness activities.
I agree. Education is better than punishment. Before we end this discussion, do you have a final message for our listeners?
Yes, my message is that we should respect each other. Smokers should be responsible for their action, and non-smoker have right to enjoy clean air by working together. We can create a healthier and more comfortable campus for everyone.
Thank you very much, Meisha, for sharing your opinions and ideas today. I learned a lot from these discussions.
Thank you for inviting me. I hope our discussion can encourage students to think more about the importance of healthy campus environment.
That's all for today's podcast. Thank you for listening and see you in our next episode. Bye!